Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, we're diving into the Courtyard Birmingham Hoover in Birmingham, Alabama. Before you book, make sure you watch this to the end. You'll find a link in the description or a QR code to book safely and easily. The hotel is located in Hoover, a suburb of Birmingham. This gives you easy access to both local attractions and a more relaxed environment. Expect to drive to city center attractions, but enjoy a quieter stay. The details on room types are pretty basic. Double-check when booking, and consider requesting a room away from the elevators for a quieter stay. Since it is a 3-star hotel, noise insulation might not be optimal, so take that into consideration. The Courtyard offers good value, but always compare prices online before booking. Look out for any extra fees, which are not mentioned in the provided data. Also consider your budget to choose whether this fits you. Breakfast is included. It is an American buffet. This can be a great way to start your day. Always check recent reviews for up-to-date feedback on breakfast quality and variety. You'll likely need a car. There's free on-site parking. Consider this when planning your trips to attractions. Check-in is from 3 p.m. and check-out is until 12 p.m. This gives you standard flexibility. Confirm these times again at the time of booking to avoid any surprises. The hotel is family-friendly with no extra charge for children between 1 and 17, and it also welcomes business travelers. Families and business travelers will find it suitable, so consider your own travel needs. The hotel has a bar, fitness center, a swimming pool, and free Wi-Fi, which gives you good choice. Also, it offers convenient amenities such as a convenience store and a laundrette and free parking. These are very convenient when you plan your stay. Be aware that the hotel is a 3-star rated, and some of the downsides may not be featured in the official specifications. Since the description does not mention the cons, it is advisable to check the most recent guest reviews. The hotel offers accessible facilities and is smoke-free. Do check whether you require these features. Consider it while booking to make sure it suits your requirements. So, that's the Courtyard Birmingham Hoover in a nutshell. This should help you to know whether it's the right choice for your trip to Alabama. Remember to use the link and the QR code in the description to book directly and safely.